Okay, hi guys. In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to manage your employee in invoTIME. Okay, so the first step that you need to go is you will need to go to Employee tab. Okay, we click on Active. Okay, here we will show you a list of the active employees. Okay, we also have terminated and resigned. Okay, so to edit the existing employee, okay, you just click on the edit button here. Okay, so you will be able to change the employee ID. Okay, if let's say that you have multiple outlets and you want to do the transfer from HQ to demo one outlet, you just click on it and then you will be able to insert the reason and also the transfer date. Okay, so you can move the employees around if you have multiple outlets. All right. So over here we will have departments, list of departments that we entered before, and also the positions. Okay. So for employee, for the role, for those employee, always employee. Okay. We only use this company admin on outlet admin when we want to create account for the admin to log in to manage and to use the system. Okay, so under role here, we will be able to create HOD as well, the head of departments. Okay, this is to create account for the head of department to manage their employees under their departments. Okay, so you will be able to insert other details as well. Okay, so you can just put them in, and then on the device role, we always use user. Okay. Okay, so for this one, for example, that this employee only get a fixed salary and he's not entitled overtime. From these settings, we can always change it to no. Okay, so the system will not calculate the OT for this employee. We also have this early overtime settings. Sometimes some company they do not pay do not give early overtime to all employees, only certain the employees that will be entitled to get early overtime. So from these settings you can change, you can just put it to yes if let's say this employee is entitled the early overtime. If let's say the employee will be calculated by daily wage, you just take daily wage. Okay, once all the settings are done, you just click on Save Changes. Okay, and you will be able to see there's one more button here called Access All Outlets. If let's say that you have multiple outlets, you want them to access, you want them to be able to do the clockings from any outlets that they visit to. You can hit on this Access All Outlet. So the name of this employee will be sent to all outlets device, the face recognition device. So for the reset device ID, for example, that you are using the mobile invoTIME mobile app, and let's say that the employee forget their password and or also they change a new phone. What you need to do is you just come to here, edit the employee, and click on reset device ID. Okay. So after you click on this reset device ID, get them to register again on the mobile app.